Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Yarina. Today we are going to draw this cute cupcake. You can find the color codes in the description below the video. The artboard size is 2000 by 2000 pixels. Let's start with the rectangle tool. Set the size to 1000 by 400 pixels and choose a light pink color. Now switch to the star tool. Click once on the canvas. You can keep the default settings and 3 corners. Choose a slightly darker color. Place it here, stretch it a bit and make it narrower. Select the top point and move it slightly upward. Now hold down Alt and Shift and drag it to the side. Press Ctrl D to repeat the action. Select everything and group it. Now take the Free Transform tool, choose Perspective Distort and slightly narrow the bottom edges. Go to Effect, Warp, Arch and set the value to -15. Then go to Object, Expand Appearance. Next go to Effect, Warp, Arc Lower and set the value to 11. And expand the appearance again. Now take the Ellipse tool and draw an oval. Fill it with a brown color and align it to the center. Send it backward using Ctrl and left square bracket. Copy this shape by holding Alt and move it slightly upward. Unite the shapes using Pathfinder and apply a darker brown color. Send it backward again. Now select both shapes and using Shape Builder tool, trim the bottom edge by holding Alt. Next, take the Rectangle tool, set the size to 900 by 190 pixels and choose a light color. Round the corners. Go to Effect, Warp, Shell Lower. And set horizontal bend to 19. Then expand the appearance. Rotate it slightly. Hold Alt to copy it and drag it downward. Change the color to dark brown and send it backward. Adjust the position slightly using the arrow keys. Then select it together with the oval and trim the top part. Copy the shape, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, move it up, rotate slightly and scale it down. Take the pen tool and draw the shape on top. Then draw a shadow shape here. And fill it with a darker color. Add another shadow here as well. Now draw some lighter areas . For highlights, draw a simple line. Press Enter or Escape. Set the stroke color to white and the thickness to 18. Add similar lines. Now draw a shadow at the bottom and fill it with light gray. Trim the excess while holding Alt. Select this part and set the transparency mode to multiply. Now take the ellipse tool and draw small circles in pink. Then add yellow and blue ones. Draw another circle with a dark blue color and set it to the back using Shift, Ctrl and the left square bracket. Adjust the anchor point slightly. Now draw a white circle while holding Shift. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat, and set the value around 56 to 60. Expand the appearance and make it slightly narrower by holding Alt. Copy it, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V and scale it up. Make another copy. And here is our finished illustration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye!